Hello guys, you're welcome to Forex Success. This is Colin Silva right here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade stepindex. This is my strategy for stepindex, and I urge you to pay attention to this video and watch it from the start to the end. Don't skip any part because you might miss it. Okay, I did the same video I think yesterday, and I was having some complaints of people saying the audio wasn't clear, so that's why I am doing this again. And right here, as I'm doing it now, I'm gonna be showing you a lot of things that I didn't even show the last time of this video. You understand? Okay, perfect. So right now I would just clear out these indicators because these are not what I'm even using. Yeah, so just delete every single one of them. Yes, deleted. So I have a clean chart except for one. Delete. Good. So I have a clean chart right here. You get that, guys? I have a clean chart right here. Okay, once again, let me just immediately let me just talk about this. Sorry guys, everyone is complaining that Deriv has taken out method of DP2P deposit and withdraw on Deriv. DP2P, which is the easiest way we deposit and withdraw from Deriv, especially Nigerians. Yes, so now there is a solution for this, and that's SoGet. Just search for SoGet online. SoGet exchanger, trust me, they will help you do the deposit and withdraw on your Deriv. Just search for them, SoGet, and then you click on either deposit or withdraw on Deriv, and trust me, they will take care of you. Very fast and reliable. This is my recommendation. SoGet.com. Okay, you'll find them on Deriv. This is their website, SOWGET. That's SoGet. You get? Okay, good. Don't worry, we'll come back for that, but let's talk about the video main. I know you want to learn the strategy, so let's talk about it right now. Okay, so now usually guys, I don't know, but I love to turn my screen so that we can use the tablet mode so that you can catch this thing properly. So please rotate your screen as well with me. I don't know how you can do this. Just rotate your screen so that you can watch it where you can put your screen on portrait, then turn it this way so that you can get the portrait, the landscape view. Okay, now first of all, I don't have any indicator here. I like to put my price action analysis in order, then add my indicator to confirm both same the direction of the market. You understand? Firstly, I like to look out for my support and resistance level. The next time I might be doing this video, I'll be using my desktop so that it will have a bigger screen and more understanding. Okay, I like my key levels, which are my support and resistance level. I like to put a look out for. Okay, let me just work with. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be taking this out. I'll work with starting from the daily time frame. I like to go for higher time frame and see the overall movement of the market. From daily time frame, I can see we're on a downtrend, and if you look at this based on price movement, you know that price has been moving. Okay, price has broken this area, went for a high, and price is actually expected to come back here from what I see on the daily time frame. And if you check out from weekly also, it's pointing the same thing. So I'm expecting this price to drop down to at least this my red line right here. So I just saw that from the weekly and also from the daily 4-hour time frame is actually approaching towards that area. So now what I need to do is to trade towards that direction. Trading towards that direction. Price is giving lower lows and lower highs. You get? So that simply means market is on a downtrend, right? So market, I expect this price now to go give another lower high, then continue a lower low. Hope you are grabbing, guys. Okay, so now I'll take my trend line. I'm not done with the key levels, but I'm just looking at the market. The market depends on what the market is showing you. That's how you know what you need to look out for or what you need to add to your chart. So I'll need a trend line just to trace this guy to the downside. to guide you in case of any breakout. You understand? I don't know why these guys are just okay. It's disappearing and I don't like that. Okay, good. So we'll have a trend line here connecting the first and second touch. You understand? So guys, we have a trend line now which connected the first touch and the second touch. So price might actually go for a third touch again to this trend line. I've not seen this before. Trend line and okay, tools been disappearing. And so guys, this is what I'm expecting from this market. I'm expecting that this price will come down, then we test this trend line around here. You see, so this is what I'm expecting. If it touch this trend line again, then it's gonna drop down to the final TP. You get? So that simply shows that we're gonna have a short-term buy around here, also bouncing from this key level here, then dropping to the downside. So I'm also gonna mark this guy with a red line also here. You see that? So I equally marked here, and I expect this area to be where price is gonna bounce back from. You get? So that's just what price action is showing me right now. You can see once I have these tools in place, it's actually very much easier for me to know where the market is going to move to next. So now I will just go for a lower time frame again, like the 1 hour time frame. So that's how I start from the higher time frame, then push all the way down to the lowest time frame to be able to know the next direction of price. You understand? So now price gave this high double top, and if you look right here, we'll have something like a double top here. Price dropped and the price is expected to go retest the double top, right? Yes, to go retest the double top around this area and then drop. So this will be the first area of confluence, and here again is another. So when you scale to lower time frame, you see more things that you were unable to see on the higher time frame. So this area again is another area of focus, area of concentration, where the sell might come from. The sell might come from here or here. Don't worry, I'll still show you how you should know, okay, it's finally time for the sell to come. I'll show you. Just stay tuned for this video. So this is price action, trading step index. So right about now again, 30-minute time frame, just to keep on confirming what we're doing. Price is giving lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and now it broke it, right? Yeah, there was a breakout of price was unable to give a new low here. However, it broke out of it, and then we will expect price to actually start pushing up. First area for this buy is here, then second is around this trend line area. You get? So you go to 15-minute time frame before we now get to apply our indicators, which will also help you understand this. So once you are being able to confirm your combine your price action analysis and indicator strategy, it's going to help you better. You understand? So if you trace this low and this low together, let me do that. If you trace this low here, this one, then connect it with this, you discover that clearly we'll have a trend line breakout here. And once a trend line is broken and retested, it means it's time to buy. So this is confirming that short buy, which we are also saying here on the technical analysis. You get? Sorry guys, I'm coming. You can see price broke it to the upside, then retested. So we'll be expecting the buy. We'll be expecting price to push up to that level. I know price is going to buy to that level. You get? So now we check out for, okay, we're on 15-minute time frame and everything is looking bullish. So go to 5-minute time frame. And for 5-minute time frame, guys, what are we seeing here? We're seeing something, a head and shoulder. Can I call this a head and shoulder? Price, a head and shoulder, which you can say this is the left shoulder, the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder. You get that, guys? Then why this area here is the neckline. Can you see that? The neckline. So head and shoulder was broken. Head and shoulder was clearly broken. We tested back just like this. We tested the neckline, and then what do you expect? Price to push up. That's the law of it. That's how it works, right? Yeah. So head and shoulder. Okay, sorry. Man, I wasn't able to take that. Okay. But I hope you understand what I said. Left shoulder here, right shoulder here, the head. So price broke it. Price is expected to retest it and then push after head and shoulder. Remember, head and shoulder is a reversal pattern. It broke it, retested, and then price is expected to push all the way to the upside. That's how it is. This is how what we learn on the Forex Success Academy. If you still want to join the Forex Success Academy, trust me, it's always open. It's a lifetime mentorship. You can join for as low as $200 for lifetime. That's just it, guys. So you can take that step and learn how to trade this thing the right way. You can see it's not just with indicators that you can actually trade this market. You can trade this market and be that indicator yourself. Yes, and that's why we are training on the Forex Success Academy. Yes. So however, I think this is the first time I'm actually sharing this thing with you guys. So market broke to the upside, and I'm expecting price first target to get to this my red line at the top there. Then I'm going to close this. Then after that, this is from 5-minute time frame. You can see we get confirmation from different areas. Combine all your confirmations, all your buyers, and then you know where the market is gonna head to. You can't always be right, but however, you should have a higher percent of higher win rate. So I'm gonna be adding just two indicators: a moving average, period. We're using period 40 SMA, 40 simple moving average. Then I'll be adding MACD. Okay, I added MACD, guys. This is MACD. Added MACD here. 12, 26, and 9. So click done. So these are the indicators I just added right now. So I'm gonna turn my screen again to see how it looks here. So this is what you'll be using this indicator for. A lot of you know just this indicator strategy. Yes, a lot of you know it because I've shared it with you guys countless time, and this is let me just clear you, this is the best among all the strategies I've dropped. This is the best. This MACD and moving average is the best for indicator strategy. It's the best, trust me. So right about now, when you actually see the moving average crossing below the chart, it indicates a buy. It indicates a buy is about to come. It indicates that the market wants to buy. And then when you see the MACD like this, MACD actually is when this bar crosses above the zero level. That means a buy is coming. But also, when you see this red line like this cross below this bar that is pointing upward, it crosses below the bar, it means a buy is there's possibilities for a buy. You understand? That's what it actually means. So now I'm going to show you. Remember, this is higher time frame that I'm checking, so we're going to start from 5 minutes and check it up. So you see they will later align themselves. Look at this moving average here, crossed below it, which indicates a buy. Moving average has crossed below this guy, and MACD is above the zero level. It indicates a buy. So 5-minute time frame has already confirmed the buy. 15-minute time frame, you should always check out on different time frame just to make sure you are safe. Remember, we'll have a trend line breaker here, broke, retested, and is expected to push up. Moving average crossed below, which indicates a buy. MACD above the zero level, you can see indicates a buy also. Trust me, I'm just teaching you guys this thing for free, so it will be best for you to pay attention. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, because as at now that I'm making this video right now, this trade is still very valid for a buy. So if you can maybe jump on it, if you watch this video, that would be good for those of you guys who turn on your post notification so that you just get notification immediately I post a video. You get? Okay, so right again on MACD 30-minute time frame, we still have it's not yet above the zero level, but this red moving average has crossed below the MACD. And if you check out here, let me zoom this out. I want to zoom out. Okay, if you check out here, guys, what are you seeing? This red moving average is already crossing below this chart. It's already crossing below the chart, and once this crossing is successful, 30 minutes has also confirmed the buy. 1 hour time frame not yet crossed, but trust me, it is still looking to cross, and MACD below the bar. The red line on the MACD is still below the bar. So back to 5-minute time frame, just to see everywhere how it looks, guys. It's still bullish. Why? Because this high is higher than this one, so market is giving higher highs and higher low, which are characteristics of a bullish market. So let's just see how this trade goes, and make sure you learn this strategy, practice it. Trust me, you become perfect on it. So if you want to message me, maybe you want to join the academy or for anything, just DM me via the link on okay, the link to join our Telegram group is right on the description of this video. Yes, so click on the link and join the Telegram group. You can DM me from there. Also on Instagram, you can DM me. Yes, we're trading there. Remember, if you wanna I have the recommended brokers right there on the description of this video, so you can click on Deriv to create an account if you want to be trading currency pairs right there. Sorry, yeah, you can trade currency pairs on Deriv. If you want to trade synthetic indices, you can see this is stepindex. The market is open 24/7, so click on the link to create an account with Deriv and start trading. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Forex Success. You're welcome. Thank you, guys.